Hello, guys. Welcome to episode number 17 of the Reverse Sweep podcast. We are now finally very close to IPL, and now that we have discussed all the remaining teams, let's look at the top two ones, and also look at all the other awards in IPL are. And finally, we have some people back. We have Piyush OP back. We have Ishwar back. तो काफी बड़े सितारे आज आए हैं तो let's begin because Piyush is here with his background. We're going to begin with Mumbai. So I'll quickly share the squad that Mumbai has for this season's IPL. And like someone has rightly pointed out that it is considered the best ever T20 franchise ever built. And I do not doubt that. You can see this. It's just
Who pointed it out?
Best ever T20 side
I
ever
don't
built,
know. I
not
don't
yes,
even
remember anyone
franchise,
pointing it out.
not even
country or
franchise.
franchise.
Yes, they have. It's been statistically analyzed that it is best ever T20 side ever built, and
और
it will be
बेस्ट
for the
एवर
next
फैन
5 years.
सपोर्ट और पीयूष जैसे फैन है तो टीम हमेशा
Best
अच्छी
ever
होगी।
owner support also.
Best ever umpire support भी है. तो
वो सब
I
I think
haters
think
the
लोग
बोलो
umpire
बोलो
comes
मत
from the owner support itself. So
best ever childhood support मतलब ऐसे बच्चों को promotion.
क्राई सम मोर
Nepotism.
Nepotism.
क्राई सम मोर
Yeah. So Piyush, I think before let's straight away get into the squad, right? You want to see what your 11 will be for this year's IPL. So yes, yes, Piyush. Why go with your 11? क्या होगा इसमें?
तो ऐसे भी मतलब मुंबई का लाइनअप तो पूरा सॉर्टेड है, कोई ज्यादा चेंजेस नहीं रहेंगे। पर और ज्यादा ऑक्शन में भी मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि कोई बहुत ही बड़ा साइनिंग किया जिसको लाइनअप में लाएंगे, और सेटल लाइनअप को चेंज नहीं करेंगे विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन को। तो क्यूडी के रोहित शर्मा ओपनिंग, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट। फिर उसके बाद स्काई, किशन, पोलार्ड, हार्दिक, कृणाल, यहाँ तक तो कोई चेंजेस नहीं होंगे बैटिंग ऑर्डर में। मतलब बैटिंग ऑर्डर में चेंजेस हो सकते हैं लाइनअप में। बस एक अब बड़ा डिसीजन रहेगा, क्योंकि जैसे मुंबई शायद 5 मैच चेन्नई में खेल रही है, तो बस एक डिसीजन हो सकता है कि मुंबई क्या अपना स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज करके 3 पेसर की जगह 2 पेसर खिलाए और 2 स्पेशलिस्ट स्पिनर विथ हार्दिक, क्योंकि हार्दिक भी बॉलिंग करेगा इस बार। क्योंकि हार्दिक इस बार बॉलिंग करेगा, तो हार्दिक और कृणाल एज अ फिफ्थ बॉलर, और पीयूष चावला और कुलटरनाइल में एक। मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है जैसे स्टार्टिंग मतलब लेटर हाफ ऑफ द स्टेज में इंडिया में पिचेस स्लो हो जाएगी टूर्नामेंट में, क्योंकि 5 ही ग्राउंड में मैचेस हो रहे हैं। तो और चेन्नई में पता नहीं इस बार न्यूट्रल विकेट बनाएंगे कि जैसा चेन्नई का विकेट हमेशा रहता है वैसा बनेगा। तो वो मतलब उस विकेट को देख के मेरे को लगता है खाली एक ही टॉकिंग पॉइंट आ सकता है लाइनअप में, वो है कुलटरनाइल और पीयूष चावला के बीच में। और बाकी तो मेरे को लग रहा है वेल सेटल्ड 11 है, ज्यादा कुछ चेंजेस नहीं दिखेंगे अपने को। क्यों और स्टार्टिंग में एक मैच शायद तक क्रिस लिन खेल सकता है, क्योंकि क्यूडी के इज आउट, मतलब उसका क्वारंटाइन में है अभी शायद तक, तो शायद तक वो फर्स्ट मैच मिस करेगा। तो मेरे को लगता है फर्स्ट मैच के अलावा क्यूडी के विल वॉक स्ट्रेट बैक इनटू द प्लेइंग 11, नो सेकंड थॉट्स अबाउट दैट। तो बस वही है कि पर मेरे को लगता है कि पीयूष चावला खेलना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक एक्सपीरियंस स्पिनर है, और चेन्नई में 5 मैचेस है, और तो उसमें वो वाले मैचेस तो अगर पिच स्पिनर्स को सपोर्ट कर रही है, तो मेरे ख्याल से पीयूष चावला खेलेगा। तो 4 बॉलर और कृणाल और हार्दिक एज द फिफ्थ बॉलर, सो दैट्स मोर देन इनफ। एंड पोलार्ड तो ही अगर जरूरत रहेगी, तो मतलब अगर यूज करना है तो।
अर्जुन अर्जुन
तो
कब खेलेगा? मेन सवाल.
अर्जुन अर्जुन खेलेगा क्या 10 गेम के बाद? मैं तो बोलता हूँ 9 में 9 जीत
जब
जाओ,
मुंबई आउट हो जाएगी
क्वालिफाई
10 गेम बाद
9 में 9 जीत के क्वालिफाई होके फिर अर्जुन तेंदुलकर 5 गेम मस्त खिलाओ अर्जुन तेंदुलकर को, सबको
9 में
बता।
9 हार के भी खिला सकते हैं।
हाँ वो भी हो सकता है, पर वो चांसेस कम लग रहे हैं,
nothing to
पर ठीक
lose.
है।
Nothing to lose.
नथिंग टू लूज, वो तो होगा नहीं, पर हो सकता है, क्या भरोसा। पर मत 9 गेम जीतो, चिल करो, फिर अर्जुन तेंदुलकर को
आज तक
खिलाओ।
सचिन
मुंबई
को भी
पहली बार
वापस ले
9
आओ,
गेम ऑन
रोड
द ट्रॉट
सेफ्टी
जीता
में
नहीं
अच्छा
है.
खेल रहा था।
बट यही है, और तो कुछ नहीं। मतलब अपना तो सेटल 11 है। अगर टॉप 4 फिनिश नहीं किए तो सबको रिटायरमेंट ले लेना चाहिए ये स्क्वाड से।
Oh, big
इतने
call.
स्ट्रिक्ट वो है, दो दो टाइटल जीतने के बाद भी है।
Wait,
अरे
Sid.
वो तो मिनिमम है मतलब।
सही है, ग्लोरी
Let's move to
हंटिंग।
Siddharth. Siddharth, तुम्हारा 11. I know मुंबई का 11
Uh,
डिबेट करना मुश्किल है, but
Pretty
yeah, your call.
self-explanatory. Like in like this lineup, they can be in any situation. They can be 20 for 3, they'll make 180. They can be 100 for 0, they'll make 220. Like any situation you throw them in, for like top 4 fails, Pollard and Hardik will go big. They have all the bases covered. I think the only trick they maybe missed was getting an overseas spinner as a backup. And perhaps I think the one issue is against left-handers. उनके दोनों like एक leg spinner है, एक slow left armer है, so no off spinner either. But pretty much the
point.
perfect T20 side otherwise, or like there's nothing else to say really. Like Piyush ने
अगर
सब
ऑफ
बोल दिया।
स्पिनर का कॉम्बिनेशन होएगा तो मेरे ख्याल से जैसे लास्ट में जयंत यादव को खिलाया था
हाँ, जयंत यादव आ सकता है मे बी। Yeah, depends on the matchup against left-hander heavy lineups जैसे दिल्ली
हाँ।
था with Dhawan and Pant.
Delhi के
So-
against they can bring in somebody like that.
Yeah, and I think maybe against SRH as well. Even Delhi used to do the same thing. Jayant Yadav would not play a single match. He would only play against SRH to bowl against foreigners. So बड़ा 2 साल के. So I think yeah, that will be pretty much the only changes. Batting self-explanatory, pacer self-explanatory. Spinners is probably the only somewhat weak link. Can't even call that a weak link really.
Umpires also self-explanatory. ठीक है. So
Owner also self-explanatory.
It'll be interesting
So-
if Mumbai have, I mean, obviously they shouldn't, or I pray that they don't, but it'll be interesting if they get a couple of injuries, like Bumrah and Hardik get injured.
Last
They
year
have
they had
Adam
Rohit
Mille,
out for a
they have
while.
Adam
भाई
Mille.
शर्म कर ले भाई, बुमराह और हार्दिक अगर इंजर्ड हो गए तो इंडिया का वर्ल्ड कप गया भाई, वो छोड़ दे।
वर्ल्ड
सिर्फ
कप
IPL
8
के
महीने
लिए
बाद है।
वर्ल्ड कप तो बहुत है ना।
नहीं पर इंजरी कैसी भी हो सकती है, पर ठीक है। पर मेरे को लग रहा है एक जो स्ट्रेंज
इंजरी कैसी हो
player-
सकती है भाई, हो सकती है।
एक अगर स्ट्रेंज प्लेयर हो सकता है तो वो मार्को एंसन हो सकता है। उसका मतलब जहीर खान और जितने भी मुंबई के मैनेजमेंट स्टाफ है मतलब बहुत प्रेज किया उसको, तो दे
तो
माइट
अर्जुन को भी कह रहे हैं।
give him some games, you don't know. अर्जुन तो खेलेगा यार।
पर्पल कैप कंटेंडर मार्को जेंसन।
नो पर्पल कैप तो एक ही जन का है।
पर्पल कैप।
पर्पल कैप तो बुमराह का
We'll
and
get
हाँ,
to purple
cricketer
cap
का
later.
अच्छा
Marco Jansen.
तो गाइस क्विकली विल डू दिस के सबके लिए मतलब प्रेडिक्टेड फिनिश क्या होगा मुंबई का, एंड क्या मतलब व्हाट इज द ब्रेकआउट प्लेयर इस सीजन उनका, मतलब सारे ही सितारे हु इज गोना बी द मेन प्लेयर फॉर देम, एंड एक दो सरप्राइजिंग मतलब व्हिच इज अ बिग डिसीजन दैट मुंबई विल हैव टू टेक इन आईपीएल. सो विल स्टार्ट विद पीयूष.
Or your big call, like what do you think might be a surprise that will happen?
यस पीयूष.
लीग फिनिश टॉप 2 सर, और मोस्ट इम्पैक्टफुल प्लेयर आई वुड से ये इस सीजन रोहित मारेगा, टॉप रन स्कोरर मोस्टली फॉर मुंबई, ऐसा मेरे को लग रहा है।
अच्छा।
और बिग कॉल तो कुछ है नहीं, अगर मतलब मैं सर बिग कॉल ऐसा नहीं है। बिग कॉल बस ये रहेगा कि क्या मुंबई 3 फॉरेनर्स ही खिलाएगी खाली और 2 स्पिनर खिलाएगी, या 4 फॉरेनर्स वाला फॉर्मूला में स्टिक करेगी। मतलब उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनी सरप्राइज कॉल फ्रॉम मुंबई दिस सीजन। मतलब मेरे को नहीं लग रहा है, क्योंकि फिक्स 11 है, फिक्स लाइनअप है, फिक्स्ड स्कोर है, कुछ ज्यादा चेंजेस नहीं देखने मिलेंगे। सो मैं कोई बिग कॉल नहीं रहेगा, बस यही रहेगा कि टीम कॉम्बिनेशन का 2 स्पिनर की 2 स्पिनर नहीं खिला रहे हैं, वो ही रहेगा
Alright.
बस।
मलाई.
I expect Mumbai to implode this season. मेरे को लगता है कि it will be they will get complacent and they'll not do that well. और I don't think they'll make the top 4. In all seriousness, मतलब मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ। मेरे को लगता है कि it has been a very good run, but even for the best of teams, there comes a season जहाँ पे they are not at their peak. It happens with all big teams, Man City, Real Madrid.
Yeah, one team with 196 points in the last 2 years is now like 7th or 8th.
हाँ, Liverpool not that great, but yeah.
Talking of implosion.
Malai subtly
हाँ.
inserting Man City into big teams. Nice.
Man City is
क्रिकेट
not
के
even
मुंबई
big
से
now.
मुंबई
joking
इंडियंस
with
भी है
Man
क्रिकेट के, फुटबॉल के।
No, Man City is beyond big now. मतलब that's
True.
what I wanted to say. 27 wins in 28 is, I mean, they're not
So
playing
big
football.
cake Champions League semi-final पहुंच
Correct.
गए दोनों पड़ता है।
And
अलग
Malay,
बात है.
who is
Anyway, coming
the
back to
top
cricket,
performer?
Coming back to
Yeah.
I think Ishan Kishan will be the top performer for Mumbai, but I feel that he'll have a great season, but uske around people will not have a good season. I doubt if Pollard and one more thing very interesting, I was hearing Owen Morgan on Sky's podcast, and I really think Hardik will be found out this season. Matlab, there has been a lot of analysis on how he's restricted when he's bowled near his shoulder, between his shoulder and his chest, and काफी analysis हो रहा है, because now is the time where people have started accepting him as a really matlab the same league as they would have probably thought of Simons or Hayden or that level of destruction. So now people have started thinking that. तो अभी बहुत analysis होगा. So now now probably will be a time where he'll struggle, and then maybe next season he'll be back. So that is my prediction from
Nice.
Mumbai. Ishan will have a good
Good
season,
call.
but they'll overall not have a great show.
Yep. Amay,
Sorry,
what do you
Piyush.
think?
Yep. So about the breakout player, I think it has to be Sky, and he'll take the confidence he got from the England series. I mean, nobody can forget the first ball six he hit of Archer, and he will be the top run getter for Mumbai at least as well, according to me. Uh, Very impactful because we've seen in the last season as well. Sharma was not performing. Sharma ji nahi chale, one of the very rare seasons, and which is when Sky, the team depended a lot on Sky, and he always stepped up. There was a very rare occasions where he could not score runs. So I think he'll perform well, and it's very crucial for India as well because they have some difficult calls to make for the upcoming World Cup as well. So that'll be interesting to see. As far as turning points and important decisions from Mumbai point of view are concerned, I think we've already talked about how Lim can play the opener. So, I mean, if he performs well in the first couple of games or whatever number of games he's getting, that will be a very good headache to have for Mumbai, Lin versus QDK, because they have a backup keeper in Ishan Kishan. So they don't need QDK the keeper, they need QDK the batsman primarily. That's a important point. And one more thing, I always keep doing this. I really like this player called Jimmy Neesham from New Zealand. He can be a good replacement for Nathan Kuntanil. Again, depending on whether he bowls well or not. If what Malay said is true, and Pollard and Hardik are not able to do what they do every season, I think that Jimmy Neesham factor in the batting order will also help them a lot. So that can be one more important decision they can take. So yeah, that's my call.
Jimmy
But
Neesham is
यही
also an
है कि-
ideal replacement for McClenaghan in terms of social media.
But social media, but I won't play him for Coulter-Nile because I don't trust Jimmy Neesham to bowl 4 overs or give 4 overs every match. So Jimmy
I mean,
Neesham,
again,
Also, you can't
Mumbai is
trust
the
even
kind of a
Nathan
team who has a
Coulter-Nile to
luxury,
give
right?
four.
They have Pollard, Hardik, Krunal as their overall sixth
Jimmy
bowler.
Neesham bowled the last
Sure.
over against India in the World Cup semi also.
Exactly.
That was consequential.
Yeah, I mean, but still. So the thing is, that can be
They
a factor
trusted
if the
him.
batting does not power up. They have the cushion in bowling because, yeah. So that's
It
what
all
I
comes
think.
down to can
Will win.
Nathan bat like Neesham? I don't think
Yes.
he can.
Yeah,
No,
I
but
don't think.
Ishwar,
He cannot
yeah,
bat like
let's.
Neesham, but Neesham can bowl like Coulter-Nile.
Fair enough. So
Yeah,
Ishwar,
that's true.
what's your call, Ishwar? What's your top four and predicted? What's the
Like Malai said, I think Mumbai won't win this year, but yeah, they should qualify for top four. Looking at the strength they have and the balance they have, yes, they should qualify for the top four. And I think Surya Kumar Yadav will be the leading run scorer of the IPL, not just for Mumbai Indians, because I have two biggest reasons for that. One is he's recently made his Indian debut, and two, Mumbai play 9 out of 14 matches this year on a slow wickets. So Surya Kumar Yadav is someone who plays spin very well, and he explores all sides of the ground, unlike someone like a Quinton de Kock who just goes bang 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 from the start. On pitches like Chennai and on Delhi, you need someone like a Surya Kumar Yadav and a Rohit Sharma to perform for you to get some score there. So yes, I feel Surya Kumar Yadav will be the breakout player for Mumbai Indians this year especially, and I think he'll score more than 550 runs. I'm telling you with numbers as well. So yes, that is what my prediction is, and he will be the main cog behind Mumbai reaching playoffs. But yeah, from there even I find it a little bit iffy. I'll be very surprised if they manage to win another title again.
Repeat the three-peat
Yeah,
golden
I think
standard.
three-peat is the true sign of greatness. I think
Exactly.
very few teams, Australia
Exactly.
World Cup, Chicago Bulls, City in Carabao, Real Madrid.
Carabao,
UCL.
देखो.
Very few
United.
three-peat. So if
Arsenal in
United-
Emirates Cup.
अरे भाई बाद में
But anyway,
करेंगे
मतलब
football.
repeat is the true sign of greatness. So
Yeah.
if MI are actually
Never
able to
been done in the
dominate
IPL.
And yeah,
and get to a three-peat, then they'll hands down go as the greatest T20
yes,
team
yes,
yet
agreed.
to play.
And
cricket.
also, I agree with
That is for
Amay
sure.
on James Neesham. I think he's a much better choice than Nathan Coulter-Nile because he offers you more batting than Nathan Coulter-Nile, and he can give you 1-2 overs any day. Aram se. You don't need 4 overs from Neesham always. You have Kieron Pollard and Krunal Pandya as well. So I don't think it's that big an issue to play Jimmy Nisham over Nathan Coulter. Yeah, so that's my prediction for Mumbai.
Let's do it with City.
Chalo.
Yeah, so I think I'll start with the big call first. I think this is the season De Kock might have a downturn, as Ishwar said, 9 out of 14 matches at Chennai and Delhi. And like De Kock, ironically, for somebody who sells spin mats which like help you play on spin, he's a really bad player of spin. So I don't know why he doesn't use his own mats, but yeah, I think he'll get exposed, and I can see Mumbai promoting Kishan up the order and De Kock ki jagah, then maybe they can put Nisham in the middle order and
Saurabh
Kishan up
Tiwari.
the order. So I think that's my big call. Breakout player, I also agree with Ishwar. Surya Kumar Yadav looked in fantastic touch for India and like played T20 the way it's supposed to, which is very surprising for Indian international batsmen these days. So I think Surya Kumar Yadav will have a huge impact, and predicted finish. I don't think they'll do quite as well as they've done last 2 years. They've sleepwalked the league. I think this year they're too good to not make the top four. I'm guessing third is my predicted finish for them.
Okay, so I'll go. I think they're not making a top four. Breakout player, I agree with everyone, Surya Kumar Yadav. And my big call is every year there is a moment when everyone is questioning why is MI still playing Pollard, and then Pollard hits that magical innings. I don't see that innings coming this year. I think they'll have to drop Pollard for good. 6 7
They're
matches
playing
again.
RCB twice now. That innings will come.
Just one more point before, I know we are late, but just one more point I wanted to add was Bumrah has been having a tough time, and I think I expect that to carry on this season.
Even Hardik has been having a tough time.
I expect Bumrah to bounce back in IPL actually. Like I think IPL is his more preferred forte, and I
Look
think
at
he
I
will.
hope he's
smiling.
not been found out.
पीयूष ऐसे हंस रहा है कि देखो बोलो बोलो अभी बोल लो कुछ एकदम ऐसे
अभी
अंदर
बोलो मैं
अंदर
बात
ही
करूंगा
अंदर
तो
ऐसे
बुमराह 20 विकेट लेगा.
No, so I'll tell you, like the hopeless optimist in me wants him to bounce back because he is the backbone of our bowling line in T20 World Cup as well. So let's hope that.
Even last year he started pretty slowly, but he bounced back.
And even the
He did, yeah.
wickets they are playing on, I think they'll help Bumrah with his
Pat
cutter
Cummins
and the
smashed him.
variations he has. Yeah, I think he won't have a
Let's
bad season by any means, but yeah, let's see.
Chalo,
let's move on. Let's look at the second finalist from last season, Delhi Capitals. Yeah, they have got an amazing squad, but they've had a major issue.
Hiccups.
भाई दिल्ली में सरकार नहीं स्टेबल हो रही और इनका टीम भी स्टेबल नहीं हो पा रहा उस हिकअप की वजह से.
आम आदमी पार्टी जिंदाबाद.
इतनी स्टेबल सरकार तो है
दिल्ली की ठीक है इनकी सरकार तो हिल चुकी है. This is a squad they've added a couple of smart buys. Steve Smith, पता नहीं शायद फोर्ट पे सैंड पेपर लगाना होगा उनको तो ले लिया है उसको. एंड उसके अलावा I think बाकी तो they didn't have. Umesh Yadav was a good buy. Qualifies the ex RCB player quota, so definitely will do well this season.
Vishnu Vinod.
Yes. So let's quickly stop the share and we'll have in-house expert on KKR. DC. Ishwar will going to take on this one first. So Ishwar, let's start with you on this. Let's start with your 11 here. So yes.
All right. Okay. As you guys can already see, my team is a bit different from everyone else's because I included Steve Smith. I strongly feel Steve Smith will play for DC. First of all, because Shreyas Iyer is not there on pure cricketing terms. Steve Smith is you can say the closest like replacement they can get for Shreyas Iyer, who can play throughout the innings at number 3 and with Pant at 4 and Stoinis at 5. It will be a very big thing. But again, the problem arises with Rahane. Like where will you play Rahane with that case? So yes, the drawback of Iyer has made it really difficult to select a batting order for DC. But yeah, I went with this. maybe Smith and Rahane can be swapped. It doesn't make that big a difference. And yes, this is my thing with Stoinis and Pant at the end and Dhawan at the top, providing the explosiveness. With Shaw, we know like on his day he can just win you a game out of nowhere. But yeah, I agree. It's been a long time since it's come. But yes, so Dhawan and Shaw make it an explosive batting pair up, and then comes Rahane and Smith to give you that stability, followed by finishing explosiveness from Pant and
Rahan,
Stoinis.
Dhawan and Shaw will take it up, and Smith and Rahane will take it down.
Not really, but yeah, all right. All right.
सबका नाम लिया नहीं और कफ सिरप की जरूरत पड़ गया तुम्हें.
Let us just hope. Let's just hope what you said will not happen with DC. Hopefully, for their sake, they are too good a team to miss out. So yes, and my big call this year will be the resurgence of Ravichandran Ashwin in white ball format. I think he will pick 20 plus wickets. Is what I feel this year. Ravichandran Ashwin with the kind of form he is in. So yes, that is my big call for DC. And yeah, I see them reaching top 4. Yes, I do see them reaching top 4. But yeah, will they go on to scale higher heights? I don't know. I'm not sure because there's a visible chink in armor there. So yes, they have Shimran Hetmeyer as well, who they can try. But yeah, hopefully Ricky Ponting realizes that Hetmeyer is the need of the hour over Steve Smith.
Yep, Malay, what's your take on the Delhi Capitals?
Malay has some connection issue. Amay can go first, I guess.
Yeah, Amay.
In the
What's-
meanwhile,
Sure. I can do that. So I will quickly go through my team. It's pretty self-explanatory. A few talking points. To start with the elephant in the room, Prithvi Shaw. I think for me, he's definitely
I
a part
hope you
of.
don't mean literally. Yes, sir.
No, not literally. I mean, at least for the first of the tournament, Delhi Capitals and Ricky Ponting will back Prithvi Shaw, and the obvious reason for that is his performance in Syed Mashaq Ali Trophy. I think he was exceptional, and he keeps doing that year after year in domestic seasons. He's not able to replicate that often in IPL and international circuits. I think because of his SMT format, give him a shot in the playing 11 in the first half. Now, with Iyer going out, you need somebody to anchor the innings in bad times. And unfortunately, he's an Indian player. Steven Smith cannot replace him. The ideal situation would have been Iyer goes out, Smith comes in, the team is it's still the same, nothing changes a lot. But we have to get in Rahane because of the 4 overseas player constraint. Then comes Pant. Now, there might be a lot of discussion over whether Hetmeyer or Smith should be a part of the mix. I think at number 5 you need a player like Hetmeyer. Yes, he is not delivered in the past, but you cannot have a player like Smith. It's not his natural game to come and slog from the first ball, and it has to be Hetmeyer. It cannot be Smith at number 5. And Stoinis surprised everybody last season. He has to be there, no doubt about that. Akshar Patel did exceptionally well in the pitches in India. Can't replace him. Then the spin, then the fast medium pacing duo of Rabada and Notgia from South Africa. I think impeccable. They were absolutely brilliant last season. Can't replace them. And I'm a personal big fan of Ishant Sharma. I think he is also going to make his presence felt. I mean, we do have people like Lord Umesh who can take his place, but then I personally believe Ishant will leak less runs. He will control, and with the kind of, because people won't go up. So maybe the pressure created by Rabada and Notgia can be leveraged by Ishant to take wickets. So that can be a good factor as well. So yeah, that's my 11 for you.
बस एक चीज है इसमें, I don't know why what these 3 people are smoking. 2021 में रहाणे को नंबर 1 डाउन रखा है तीनों ने. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि रहाणे खेलेगा भी. मतलब रहाणे को तो कोच बन जाना चाहिए. अब हो गया उसका टीम.
I'll tell you.
रहाणे नहीं खिलाएगा तो इनके पास कोई और ऑप्शन ही नहीं है.
पर मैं बता रहा हूँ.
नहीं Piyush Opi, it's like if not Modi then who, right?
Exactly.
It's not Rahane then who.
Smith plays at 3 and Lalit Yadav takes that middle order.
हाँ, मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूँ
कौन है ललित यादव भाई, कौन है?
नहीं, मेरे किया था उसको खिलाने.
मेरे हिसाब से जो लाइनअप रहना चाहिए, धवन, शॉ, स्मिथ, पंत. अब एक जो स्लॉट बचता है वो स्टॉइनिस के बाद वाला. अब उन लोगों को एक इंडियन बैट्समैन, हाँ,
एक्सप्लोसिव है. इंडियन बैट्समैन एक्सप्लोसिव.
And they
Indian
left
batsman
Harshal Patel. They left Harshal Patel. Harshal Patel होता तो अच्छा fit होता.
Harshal Patel.
But
But we
Hetmeyer
didn't know
hasn't
that
done
Iyer was going to
anything.
get injured.
Or Hetmeyer hasn't done anything brilliantly. I would rather have Smith play at one down than I play
But then
Rahane,
the
and then
question remains: who plays after Stoinis? That one slot of an Indian batsman
Lalit Yadav.
who can go bonkers if needed. We
अब
need that
वो
one
तो होएगा.
spot, right?
वो तो
That's
देखो
what
वो
Lalit
तो
Yadav
मिलेगा.
can do and has been doing in for Delhi in Syed
हाँ.
Mustaq Ali Trophy.
और
Yes.
ऐसा है कि एक
In a good-
इंडियन बैट्समैन को अगर उन लोग फ्रीडम
Yeah,
देंगे
but-
जाके मारो 10 बॉल 15 बॉल में 20 25 30 रन तो वो मिलेगा अगर ढूंढने से. बट प्लेइंग रहाणे एंड प्लेइंग स्मिथ इज लाइक रहाणे इज लाइक 100 स्ट्राइक रेट का प्लेयर और स्मिथ अभी जो फॉर्म में है, मतलब जो लास्ट सीजन उसका अप्रोच था और उसके बाद ऑस्ट्रेलिया में T20 जो खेला था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में खेला था तो उसमें
वनडे में था 250 बॉल 100
वनडे में
हाँ,
था, वनडे में था.
बैक टू बैक.
हाँ पर वो अभी स्मिथ का वैसा नहीं है कि
50
टुक टुक करके खेलता है. वो स्ट्राइक रेट 130 140 खेल सकता है मतलब. और रहाणे वो नहीं कर सकता कितना भी चाहे, उसको भी पता है वो नहीं कर सकता
और
वो.
स्पेशली एट नंबर 3 he can
Correct.
still be serviceable opener.
क्योंकि
आप
अगर रहाणे
नंबर 3
आप रहाणे खिलाते हो तो फिर आपको पता नहीं मतलब स्लो हो जाता है पूरा इनिंग्स. मतलब रहाणे डजंट मेक सेंस टू मी एट ऑल. तो मेरे को नहीं
काफी
लगता कि
सवाल
रहाणे
आपके
खेलेगा.
नंबर 3 पर कुछ जवाब चाहिए जनता. फटाफट से just go with your 11 then we can move on. Yeah.
The problem is if you can hear me, right?
yeah I think your video is
You guys
yeah,
can hear me,
sounds-
right? Huh.
yeah
So the problem with not having Hetmeyer or Billings at 5 is DC's problem last year was after a good start or after Dhawan given them something, what happens after that? So if Rahane doesn't play and Smith plays and takes that overseas spot, the same problem will continue. So DC need someone, even though Hetmeyer hasn't done anything big, and his progress has been slower actually because Hetmeyer hasn't played as many T20 leagues as other people have. He's only played in CPL and IPL actually. He has not played in Bangladesh and
even
all
got
these other
dropped
places
from the
where
West
the West
Indian
Indies play.
T20 11 recently.
Exactly.
And also
That-
last year
yes,
he
that is
got
because
batting
he
towards
hasn't.
the end most of the matches.
So that is why Hetmeyer's progression as a T20 batsman has been slower as compared to other West Indian brute guys.
And he's also
Yeah,
a number
also,
3
I think
batsman.
will
to
He's
add
not
to
a
Malay's
finisher.
point, right? To add to Malay's point, just what the season before he was shifted to Delhi, he was with RCB, and after RCB was knocked out, I remember there was this one no pressure game where he performed exceptionally well. He went bonkers. So he's the kind of player who can do well if he's allowed to express freely, and I think Ricky Ponting will understand that eventually. He's in safe hands basically. So
Got it.
I'd probably bet money on Hitmeyer is what I'm saying.
Anyways, let's quickly move on to predictions. Everyone, big call, breakout player and predicted
बिग कॉल
finish.
तो एक ही रहेगी. फ्री विकेट्स रबाडा को इस बार फ्री विकेट्स नहीं मिलेंगे होपफुली. बहुत फ्री विकेट ले लेके आगे बढ़ गया स्टैट पैडिंग. तो होपफुली आई प्रे दैट रबाडा गेट्स एक्सपोज्ड फाइनली.
इतनी फ्री है तो सब क्यों नहीं ले लेते?
अरे फ्री है भाई, कितना विकेट क्या लेता है
फ्री
वो,
में
उसको
सब
तो
ले लो.
आखिरी में मतलब. बट बिग कॉल इज आई थिंक वन मोर थिंग इज वो जो ऐड नहीं हुआ, स्मिथ खेलेगा तो पंत इज अ न्यू कैप्टन एंड विद स्मिथ हैविंग स्मिथ प्लेइंग एक वो रहेगा थोड़ा मतलब
Edge.
गाइडेंस
Yeah.
रहेगा. तो
And वैसे
Guidance,
it's
मैं तो
like
झगड़ा बोल रहा था.
gonna be Ponting की
sand पे-
proxy है.
सैंड पेपर
Exactly.
वगैरह भी थोड़ा सिखा देगा पंत को.
अरे आई डोंट थिंक वो लेवल पे ये सब होगा भाई.
बट हाँ ठीक है, बस
बात
बिग कॉल ये रहेगा कि शॉ
मजाक
विल
ही
बी
कर
द
रहे
टॉप रन स्कोरर फॉर दिल्ली कैपिटल दिस सीजन.
भाई क्या फूक लिया.
मतलब दिल्ली में कोई 300 रन नहीं मारेगा इस बार. Is your call.
Shaw the breakout performance और दिल्ली might finish top 4, 5th या 4th league finish is my prediction.
Got it. Say Ishwar and Sid. You go next. Ishwar first, Sid next.
मेरा हो गया ना.
Ishwar, sorry. Sid.
हाँ, yeah, sure. Okay, so breakout player, I think Steve Smith. Steve Smith is a very proud kind of player, and उसका ego was hurt होगा कि he went from a 12 crore contract to 2.2 crore contract. World T20 is coming up as well. Mega auction is coming up. He has
ऐसा
a big
मैक्सवेल
point
के
to
साथ क्यों
prove.
नहीं होता है भाई? ये भाई
हाँ.
सोचता हूँ.
वो उल्टा गिरता है. वो 100 रन बनाता है, 9 से 15 छोड़ जाता है. So Smith is the kind of guy, if you give him a point to prove, he will
The hope-
do that. People had
that
questions
kids-
on him when he came after sandpaper ban, play one of the greatest individual series ever in the Ashes. So, and he was in great form as in the one dayers 250 ball 100s against India. So I think with Iyer gone as well, lot of pressure on him, and I think he'll be the breakout player. Big call. I think Delhi might actually drop Nokia. I think if like
Oh,
a lot of players get found out in their second season, and like uh, everybody's been watching Nokia. He's been playing for South Africa more regularly, played in the IPL. I think second season his variations and everything might get found out, and I think Chris Fox might get a chance eventually
nice.
because Delhi also need that extra batting down the order with
Very good point.
without Iyer. So and predicted finish, I think Delhi are finally going to win the championship, going to come first. As a Delhi fan for the last 13 years, I think this is finally what it's all been building up to. Even without Iyer, I think Delhi have a good enough side to win it all. Pant is in the form of his life in every format. Dhawan's always going big, and Rabada is one of the best bowlers in the world. Ashwin's in great form, Akshar's in great form. Delhi came third 2 years ago, second last year. You can fill in the blanks.
Oh,
Wow,
oh,
wow, Modi. Arey, but
wow.
no one spoke about
Told
one
you it
major
was like
factor,
that.
Mishra ji. Mishra ji
I
तो
was
भूल ही
वो
I
नहीं
think
नहीं
जाएगा
अमय
वो
अमय
But
अमय
actually
wants
Ricky
to.
Ponting का
Didn't
जो
speak about
speech
him because
था
he's not going to be.
no. So
कोई
I
देखे
think
तुम रिकी पॉन्टिंग का स्पीच
about no.
चल ठीक है
नहीं वो
ठीक है
Yeah, अमय yeah,
He's
अमय
not.
your predict.
Yeah, so I'll start with breakout player. I think it's pretty obvious. We all know who it is. The Spider-Man. Uh, as already stated by Siddharth,
Urvashi Rautela Broker.
impeccable form. I think he's going to do well. And when when we got the news of Iyer not being the captain anymore, I was really hoping that Pant is thrown into the captaincy shoes because I don't think he's going to be replaced from the Indian side in any format for a very long time now. And we can look at him from a future leader point of view, and there is no better preparation than the IPL. So really looking forward to him performing. Predicted finish. I don't think they're making the playoffs for a few reasons because they don't have a set core, is what I'm trying to say. When you don't have that, it becomes a little difficult. So again, personal opinion, I don't think they're making the playoffs somewhere around fifth, sixth. The big decision, however, and this came to my mind after Siddharth talked about not playing Notgia. So they have this gentleman from England called Chris Wokes. Now, what Wokes does is if he comes in place of Notgia, Wokes bats, right? So Wokes can go somewhere above Akshar, and then we can maybe replace a Hetmeyer with a Smith because we
Yeah.
have somebody like a Chris Wokes down as well. So that is another team combination they can think of if they really want to put in Smith to compensate for the lack of leadership. Maybe this team combination can work. So that will be a big call. If Wokes comes in place of Notgia, they can accommodate Smith at the top of the order. And also Lalit Yadav instead of Rahane. So yeah, I think that combination can be tried and tested by them. So that's about.
Malay, and yes, what's your take on this?
Yeah, I think DC will do very well. I agree with Sid though. I think this could be their year, but I kind of feel DC are one of those teams who just find someone better than them every time. This happened in their Daredevils time as well when Peterson was captain, I guess, and they were unstoppable, and then they found KKR was just better than them. I think that year the semis may eliminate with it. So whenever they've done well, they have found that there is one person who's just been better. I think something like that is going to happen this year as well. They're going to miss Shreyas really, really badly because he was the key, that number 3-4 ka glue, and was in good form as well. So that's why I feel they're going to make the top four, but they'll probably fall just short. And my big prediction is Dhawan is going to have a bad season. And I don't know if it's big. I think many people would already predicted that, but I think Pant is going to have his 2018 kind of season again, where he scored runs for fun.
Yeah, I think I back up Malay on that. Pant is going to be the breakout player. My big call is that I think Delhi will relieve Pant of captaincy and give it to Ashwin.
Big call.
I think
That
Pant
is
will
actually
Pant
something
will
I would have
score.
liked to see as well.
yeah, Pant would have. I don't think Pant's form will be affected. I don't think
Yeah.
his captain would. And anyways, I don't think Delhi needs a captain because it's always Ricky Ponting from the dugout. So it's just a proxy.
Yeah.
जो भी बंदा आता है captain.
Both Delhi and Mumbai are coach teams. Mumbai, even if there's no Rohit, they do the same thing.
Wow,
It's proven, no?
You're saying
That's
Mumbai
proven.
mein Rohit
Yeah.
Sharma finito.
Piyush,
No,
brother,
We
it's not
actually have a
about
documentary showing that, man. Mumbai
it's not about
Why?
finish.
commission.
This is going to be interesting. This is going to be
See,
interesting conversation.
last time when there was no Rohit, Pollard came and nothing changed. They were doing better.
They
than
actually
when
were winning
Rohit
more
was
games
there.
with
No,
Pollard.
it's not about Pollard coming. मतलब अब मुंबई ग्रूम ही इतना अच्छा करती है कि every player
Not
can
about that.
step up
See,
and do the
Mumbai-
captaincy. वही तो पूरा वो है
Nothing
ना.
like that.
But every
Nothing like that. Mumbai
management
is a
has a
system
role.
team.
अरे नहीं,
Pollard
मतलब
TKR से अनबीटन सीजन जीता, उधर भी मुंबई ने ग्रूम किया था.
अरे नहीं, एक मिनट. एवरी मैनेजमेंट फुटबॉल में भी अब मैनेजर पूरा टैक्टिक्स बता के भेजेगा ना कि ऐसा करना ऐसे थोड़ी ना कि भाई ऐसे ही चले जाओ.
But
खुला छोड़
Pollard
दिया,
is
जो
proven
मर्जी करो.
outside
क्रिकेट में वो कम होता है.
himself
मैं
as
बस
well.
ये बोल
अरे
रहा हूँ.
पर
No, yeah,
क्रिकेट
cricket में I think captain का
नहीं.
role cricket में ज्यादा होता है.
हाँ,
I mean-
वो that is what.
But
On
it's
field
right,
decision
but
manage.
MI में
plan
इतना नहीं
Bs.
है. That's our point.
अरे
Plan
on
A is
field,
planned by the coach. Plan B is the captain.
हाँ, प्लान बी इज द
When things
कैप्टन.
go
बट
wrong.
ये अरे अब कोई
Mumbai
क्रिटिकल
don't need a
सिचुएशन
plan
में
B ना usually.
नहीं,
Exactly.
बट कोई क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन में आएगा तो रोहित ही अपने जैसे अभी इंडिया वो आखिरी ओवर में जब शार्दुल ठाकुर को कर रहा था तो उसमें भी रवि शास्त्री को क्रेडिट दे दो ना कि जब शार्दुल ठाकुर को उसने बोला कि कीप बॉलिंग व्हाट
मैं
यू
तो
आर
उसी को
बॉलिंग
देता हूँ.
डोंट. ये शार्दुल ठाकुर ने खुद बोला. अब वो रवि शास्त्री थोड़ी ना आके बोला उसको फील्ड में कि भाई शार्दुल ठाकुर वहीं पर बॉल करते रहे.
भाई,
रोहित शर्मा
If
इतना
ये
क्या
हो
Shardul
सकता है
Thakur
ना?
needs to be told
अरे,
keep bowling what
रोहित-
he is bowling, then maybe he shouldn't be a
भाई
professional.
ये भी
If
तो हो सकता है
somebody
ना
अरे,
कि
needs to
रोहित
be
straight
को
up,
told.
पता ही नहीं
उन्होंने
था
बोला
क्या
था
करना है.
greatest
तो
number
उसने
10
बोला
to
जो
wear a
कर रहा
jersey.
करते रहे भाई, मेरे को आइडिया. ये भी तो हो सकता है.
नहीं, वो तो
ये भी
है.
तो हो सकता है.
हाँ.
See, MI का Netflix documentary shows that they are a coach team.
Yeah,
Jayawardene runs everything. Rohit is there, but I mean, ठीक है, he's there to take the credit. उसमें कुछ
I
गलत
think
नहीं है.
I think from the documentary what I took away is it's a management team. Their management is strong. Their talent
Jayawardene
scouting is
even like
strong.
criticized
The
Rohit
entire
for like
process is
being
strong. It's
clueless.
not Jayawardene. So I mean, it's the entire ecosystem that whoever is built has built. So I mean, अगर कोई Reliance खड़ा कर सकता है तो well. So yeah, I think it's the entire ecosystem, not only the coach.
हाँ,
So-
वो इकोसिस्टम में प्लेयर थ्राइव करेगा. अब
Exactly.
एक कोई फ्रेंचाइजी को देख लो, उनके पास कैप्टन इतना एरोगेंट है कि क्या ही
Oh.
मैनेजमेंट मैक्सवेल में 15-16 करोड़ उठा रहा है. वो अब क्या करेंगे अब?
Back
उसका
to
कुछ-
Delhi, Darshil's prediction.
भाई ये दर्शिल
Like
का
this,
है.
हो
अच्छा अच्छा दर्शिल आई कांट सी.
Darshil. हो गया?
मेरा हो गया भाई. नहीं भाई, आरसीबी का
Okay.
उसमें बोल दिया तो जैसे मुंह छुपाने लायक देना चाहते हैं हमारे.
I'll
यार लेकिन दिल्ली कैपिटल्स तो सीधा रिकी पॉन्टिंग.
I'll
And
leave Delhi on one
I
last
think-
note.
I think Delhi, मेरा तो वही होगा कि I think they are top 2 for me this year.
I'll leave Delhi on one last note. With Smith like leading the side, even Unadkat picked 25 wickets और ऐसा सीजन था कि उसमें 3 साल चला. रोजर स्मिथ के सैंड पेपर के साथ रबाडा क्या करेगा?
काफी accurate observation, काफी सही. Okay guys, let's quickly move to the last part. यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि इमर्जिंग प्लेयर, एमवीपी, ऑरेंज कैप, पर्पल कैप. पीयूष के आंसर हमारे पास है. पीयूष ने सबके लिए अर्जुन तेंदुलकर बोला हुआ है. We know that. तो but
अर्जुन ओपी बोलते हैं.
so let's start with orange cap. You go first. Malay.
I'll go first.
Yeah.
For orange cap.
So I think it's pretty straightforward pick for me. I think Virat is in great form. I'm a big fan of him, the way he plays, and so okay. No, I'm not a big fan of him, but I think he's going to do well because he's going to open for RCB. So and I think he's going
And
to
he's
have
really good at stat padding.
800 plus 7.
ब्रो रूट अनसोल्ड है क्या आईपीएल में?
I think I
Yeah.
agree with. I don't think Root registered, or did he register?
No, he didn't.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Root is
मैं पूछ
actually
रहा था.
Sorry.
see, Root is elite. Root is elite. He doesn't have to travel like Smith for 2 crores and all that shit. He's an elite guy. I think he's gonna chill at his home and play with his brother. He's actually playing cricket with his brother, Billy Root, these days. So anyway, coming back to Virat Kohli, I think he's going to open. That's pretty clear now, and he's very good at making runs that have less impact. We've seen he wasn't able to win his team the IPL with scoring 1,000 runs in a season as well. So that's the epitome of not being effective. So I think he's going to do something similar this year.
Yes, City. Malay
Oh,
is
yeah,
back to his
Malay-
best.
Bro, you know,
I am
bro, you
going
know,
with
like
Josh
ये जीत के
Butler
जाएगा
this
और
time.
इंडिया के फैंस देखेंगे, विराट कोहली के फैंस देखेंगे. You know that, right?
अरे वो
No,
Malay has to learn
bro,
from
I am
Siddharth and
literally
move out
saying
of
Virat
India.
Kohli will be the highest.
वो तो बैक कर रहा
No,
है.
I'm literally saying Virat Kohli is going to make the most runs this year. I mean, his
But
fans should be
useless
happy
runs
about
होंगे.
it, no?
It's like इतना
Literally saying that.
it's like इतना प्यारा बोला कि तू useless है, तू मारेगा but तेरा टीम नहीं जीतेगा.
So I think Josh Butler will be the
वो अलग
orange
बात है.
cap.
वो
Yeah, Sid.
हाँ मलाई बोलने दे.
yeah.
I think but
Is
Butler
Butler
will
will
be
open
the
Butler?
orange
Just
cap
wanted
this
to ask.
season. Like I think he's one. I think him and KL Rahul are the two best T20 batsmen of our time, and Butler last season unfortunately got demoted
Rahul,
down the
really?
order. This time Morgan said that he's going to come up the order, so I think he was in great touch in the T20 series against India as well. And 2 years ago, he single-handedly dragged Rajasthan to a playoff spot when he was opening. For just half the season he was opening, and he dragged them to a playoff spot. Next season also he almost single-handedly dragged them to a playoff spot. So I hope Rajasthan persists with opening with him, and I think he'll be the top scorer. I think, as Malay said, Kohli will be pretty close because he's promoted himself up the order now, and he's really good at getting high volume of runs, even though they might not have the most impact as somebody scoring fewer runs as well. But Butler will have tough competition with Kohli and other people like stat padding, but I think Butler will win the orange cap.
Amaya.
Yep, I'm going with David Warner here. So a few stat checks, most IPL 50s, and by a fair distance. The second he has 48. The second highest is Dhawan at 41, and then the very famous Virat Kohli at 39. The point being, why I feel he will get a orange cap is we all know Warner is a confidence player. If he's playing well, it's very difficult to stop him. And when it works the other way around as well. I understand if he has a purple patch, it's very difficult for him to bounce back directly. So with the kind of format we have in IPL this year, there are going to be a lot of matches played in, small sets of matches on different grounds. So people will get a time to understand the situation, then play on the same sort of conditions for a long time. So I think Warner will be a very impact player for SRH this time around, and he's going to score heaps and bounds of runs.
And there's no Stuart Broad in the IPL, so
yeah. Fair
chance for him to get back.
Fair point.
And Warner's actually won the orange cap
and
in
Archer's out as
2015,
well.
17,
Archer's out for a
19.
Archer's out for a first half as well. So
Right.
fair point. Fair.
Ishwar.
Yeah. So yeah, I've chosen Sky here. I've already told my reasons why Sky will score maximum runs this season. So yes, it's free to player. He plays spin very well and on slow wickets. So yes, I see him scoring loads of runs, and especially with the confidence of being in the Indian team and winning man of the match as well. So yes, I feel Sky will win the orange cap this year.
And guys, now we come for the biggest betrayal of this year so far. Piyush Hopi has chosen Virat Kohli as the orange winner.
रोहित
शर्मा वहां पे एकदम सैड कॉर्नर में क्राई कर रहा है.
रोहित शर्मा is like Piyush bro betrayal.
रोहित शर्मा is a team player. Virat Kohli is a stat padder. तो वो difference आ जाता है.
Piyush knows how terrible Rohit has been in IPL when it comes to.
How many years since he's
even someone like Piyush?
5 years.
भाई शर्म कर लो, अभी तो फाइनल में मैन ऑफ द मैच लेके गया है.
बोल्ड था भाई, मैं फाइनल में मैन ऑफ द मैच.
वो भी स्काई
रोहित नहीं था.
बैटिंग मैन ऑफ द मैच भाई.
हां, सो पीयूष आपने विराट कोहली चूज किया है, क्यों?
His 50.
विराट कोहली इसके लिए क्योंकि विराट कोहली अभी बोला है कि वो ओपनिंग करेगा, क्योंकि he wants himself to might be opening in the T20 World Cup as well. So I think 14 games open करेगा और विराट कोहली के साथ पर्टिकुलर, और विराट कोहली मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है एंकर रोल खेलेगा. So I am expecting him to play a longer innings this time around, मतलब, और I am expecting a consistent performance throughout the, क्योंकि इंडिया में पिचेस भी स्लो रहेंगे और मतलब वो खेल लेगा, मतलब आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट द स्ट्राइक रेट, बट ही विल स्कोर रन्स, एंड आई थिंक विराट कोहली इज माय टॉप पिक to get the orange cap, followed by KL Rahul next. So top 2 for me.
ठीक है. मेरा पिक है मयंक अग्रवाल. I think again been a fan since his RCB days. And last season he was also, I think, he was actually competing with KL Rahul for
Yeah, he was
the Orange
top
Cap.
two till he got injured.
Yep. And I think उसको Indian team से drop किया तो वो loss hurt करेगा, and I think he'll be raring to go. And he plays he has got all the shots in the book, plays very spin well, pace well, and I think he'll do really well. So Mayank Agarwal for me. Moving on to purple cap, I'll start with myself. I think Chahal. Again, Chahal and Indian pitches is like really hard to play. Low spinning tracks होंगे. It's going to be hard to get him for runs, and again, the fact that now he has got additional competition in the Indian T20 team for himself. So I think he'll be out there wanting to prove a point. So for me, Chahal is going to be the purple cap winner. Moving on to Piyush OP.
There's no, इस बार तो बुमराह लेके ही जाएगा. लास्ट ईयर रह गया था, पर इस बार बुमराह का सीजन है और शादी वगैरह हुई है, फॉर्म में रहेगा थोड़ा मस्त. तो
Lady luck.
लेडी लक. तो
कोहली
वही
के लिए
है
तो नहीं
कि
चला. 0 centuries since marriage.
भाई वो कोहली है, तभी तो उसका नाम कोहली है. पर ठीक है, let's see, let's hope. I'm hoping that Bumrah wins the purple cap this time.
Nice. Ishwar, you got a good choice.
Will
Yeah.
MI stop
I've chosen
haunting
Bhuvi.
KKR a bit more because
क्या Malay?
because Bumrah got married to Sanjana, who's KKR mascot.
हाँ वो मैस्कॉट थी, अब नहीं है, अब नहीं है.
भाई मलाई को सब में अपनी एजेंडा तो
कुछ
लगानी
भी,
है.
अभी भी
अब मुंबई फैमिली की पार्ट हो गई भाई, भूल जा तू उसको.
और बुमराह के क्या जाए.
but interviews
अच्छा,
तो
चल,
अभी
anyways,
KKR के लिए ही कर रहे हैं.
ईश्वर.
नहीं.
Anyways, now
Ishwar.
moving on, I've chosen Bhuvi because we've seen like the kind of form he was in the recently concluded series versus England, and England is the best T20I side in the world right now. And he was able to fox their batsmen on flat wickets, and he was the most economical bowler as well from India. So I feel like Bhuvi is in some excellent form coming into IPL, and SRH will be really lucky to have him back. They had, even though SRH reached the playoffs last year, they felt his absence a lot. So I think Bhuvi will be back, and I think he will win Purple Cap one more time. And yes, actually, if this happens, it will be very good for India as well, going into
Correct.
T20 World Cup with Bumrah, Bhuvi, and
E-
Shami and
ईश्वर
Natarajan as
ईश्वर
well.
ईश्वर is like such a like ऐसे IPL में जो भी हो रहा है, but इंडिया के लिए अच्छा होना चाहिए वैसे हर उसके choice and selection में.
Always,
on to
bro,
Amay.
always with you there.
Yeah, Amay, your call. Who's going to be the purple cap?
Right. I think it's going to be Bolt. A couple of reasons. He was in the top three last time as well. Took a lot of wickets in the initial overs. Proved himself bowling at the death as well. Again, was not on the winning side, but he bowled a pretty decent second super over in that match against Punjab as well. Bowls good Yorkers. I think why I feel Bolt will be a part of that, because he's a part of a very strong. I mean, there are a few bowlers you can't explain why Sachin was so good. He was gifted. Bolt, he's a wicket taker. That's what he is. He will give you wickets in the starting overs. And Bumrah, unfortunately for me, he comes across as the kind of bowler who will create pressure. People play him cautiously. People try to play him out, and the pressure created there can be leveraged by the bowler who's playing with him. That's where I'm counting on Bolt. So I think it's going to be Bolt for me.
City.
I'm going with a left field pick in Jhye Richardson. I think I'm a really big fan of him, and I think he will be the highest wicket taker this year. He's going to bowl at the top and at the death, and he's going to get a lot of what people call Rabada does. Usually get a lot of free wickets at the end, especially with all the Indian finishers who will struggle to pick his 140, 145, 150 kph. They're not even going to see the ball, and he has like a really steady action as well. So I think with his variations and like just raw pace, the domestic Indian batsmen are really gonna struggle against him, and he'll get a lot of like free wickets, as people like to say. I think he'll be the purple cap.
Malay, you have picked the greatest number 10 to wear the Indian jersey.
Lord
Greatest
Thakur
assistant, Shardul Thakur.
लॉर्ड शार्दुल ठाकुर.
Lord.
मले भी फ्रीज हो गया लॉर्ड का आशीर्वाद लेके.
I think Malay is
Will
having
come
connection
back.
problem. No worries.
Welcome
Can
back
you,
to
Move
but
to-
I don't know if you can hear me.
Yeah, we can hear
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
Malay.
Can hear you.
So it just looks like a random pick ki Shardul bol diya ऐसे ही, but honestly I have thought about it. I think this is a very good chance for Shardul to present himself as a premier pacer, because one thing is he gets a lot of free wickets, just like a lot of players have that knack, and Shardul has that. We saw it in the limited over series against England, picking 3-4 almost all the time. And under Dhoni, I think this probably might be his season where Dhoni uses him as the Bravo kind of role. So I fancy Shardul to be up there. Maybe not purple cap, might be, because Rabada and these guys are going to give him a tough fight. But I think he has a good chance to definitely end up between 20, 22, 23 wickets. for sure.
शार्दुल पर्पल कैप में इस सीजन विजिल पोडू होने ही वाला है फिर से होगा
Definitely.
इसके
काफी
से
हो
कोई
सकता है
देगा।
bro.
हो
I mean,
सकता है.
I think
Point to
Shardul will be used like Dwayne Bravo was in
सही है, सही
Chennai's
बोला।
glory days.
Right. Moving on, Malay, I think we'll continue with you. Your MVP is
MVP is very, very straightforward. I think Ben Stokes is in the form of his life. He's going to open for Rajasthan. He sort of has broken the shackles. Although there is a very valid point that Stokes is still sort of finding what he is in T20 cricket. Matlab, while he's an unbelievably good ODI player, T20 में अभी उसने इतना किया नहीं है. We saw that in the series as well against India. Matlab, he's not sure where does he play, where does he not play, क्या order है, and even Oregon also is not quite sure. They're also shuffling between him, Bairstow, Stokes at 3, Bairstow at 4, all of those. So I think he enjoyed opening a lot for Rajasthan last year, and I think this साल भी he'll probably enjoy that. And plus bowling तो है ही उसकी tireless. So I think a good choice for MVP for me.
Yeah, you have backed the same player. Anything you want to add on to Malay in this one?
Yeah, so like IPL MVP is decided on a point system, and like what it takes into consideration is 4 sixes, wickets, and dot balls bowled as a bowler. And Stokes has a great chance to add all of that. And opening the batting, he's an explosive batsman, will get a lot of boundaries, and since Archer's out, he might get a more significant bowling. Archer's out for a certain point of time, so might get a more significant bowling role as well. And like I think IPL MVP system, like being objective as it is, and how it doesn't take like pure volume into account is like I think is a very good system, and like it actually captures the impact of that. Like for example, last season Virat Kohli scored 450 runs and finished number 69 in the MVP standings, and I'll just quickly read some of the names who finished above him. Prithvi Shaw, Shivam Mavi, Aaron Finch, Karthik Tyagi, James Pattinson, all finished above Virat Kohli in the MVP standings, despite him scoring 450 runs. It's a great system, I must say. Moving on.
Issue.
Yeah, I don't know about all that, but yeah, I feel with Stokes opening and with Archer not available, Stokes will have a significant role with the ball as well. And yes, with him opening, he will get more time, which he likes. Basically, I don't know what people think, but I think Stokes is someone who takes his time to get in, even in one days or in test matches. He's not someone who can be like a Kieran Pollard or Andrew Russell from ball one, is my thing. I mean, he can be after he takes like 5-10 balls, which he will get when he's opening and with the new ball. So yes, Stokes
Got it.
is my MVP pick.
Amaya?
Yep, I'm going with the young man Sam Curran. People started comparing him to Dhoni after that innings, and a couple of reasons for that. One, we know MSD. Everybody knows MSD. He sticks to his plans. He sticks to his players, and वो basically players ढूंढता है और वो उनको बना के ही छोड़ता है. So last season he decided to stick to Sam Curran, and we saw how he promoted up the order. He asked him to open. He did well. He did well in a couple of matches. I think he's going to stick to that. I think Sam Curran and Faf are going to open for Chennai, which means Curran will get a lot of time in the middle to score runs, and he's in good form as well. And with his swing bowling, I think he's also going to get a lot of wickets in the first few overs. So yeah, Sam Curran, my MVP for the season.
Yes, Piyush OP.
तो मेरा तो सही है कि केएल राहुल कीपिंग भी करेगा, कीपिंग के पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे और रन्स भी बनाएगा। तो मेरे को लग रहा है वन लाइक लास्ट ईयर आल्सो ही वाज क्लोज टू द एमवीपी रेटिंग्स। इस साल आई थिंक ही माइट
I think strike rate से हार गया last year because of strike rate, I think.
Because
Strike
he didn't
rate is
make the
overrated.
playoffs, everybody,
he-
most players got extra matches, and yeah, he didn't hit a lot of boundaries.
Strike
but-
rate is overrated.
No, but the winner didn't play. No, the winner didn't play
Yeah.
the playoffs as well. Jofra won.
But everybody who
So-
finished
but
above
Jofra had
him,
better impact. KL,
yeah,
KL
this season-
he has only himself to blame. I mean,
yeah.
I mean,
Right.
after
He's trying
getting
to imitate
50,
Virat
you're
Kohli
looking
too
for
much.
doubles and-
पर इस सीजन केएल का है, केएल राहुल
Can do it.
विल
Nice.
कैन डू इट।
last
Like,
दो season भी KL के ही थे runs wise तो.
Right.
He's
Hmm.
been
I
scoring more than 400 for like
long मतलब लंबे दो सीजन खेला है वो काफी अच्छे से। नहीं, I think I agree with Piyush's
season.
logic.
since 2018.
वही नहीं, I agree with Piyush का logic that wicket keepers का वो advantage रहता है. So I have gone with Pant because I think he's in the form of his life and he's doing some amazing commentary. उसको bonus points भी मिलेंगे from my side and system में. So yeah. Finally, last thing for tonight before we wrap up is emerging player. So for me, it's going to be Bishnoi. I think he's a future Team India player soon, all formats, not just T20s, one days tests. He's just outstanding. Last season, he showed how good he was with Kings 11 Punjab, and this season, I think with Mujib gone, he's going to have a bigger role and responsibility, and I think he's going to do amazing. Piyush.
तो मेरा मतलब मेरे को इमर्जिंग में थोड़ा पता नहीं है, पर ठीक है।
मुंबई के
अनुज
लोग
रावत
ऐसे सब छोटी मोटी चीजों में पढ़ते नहीं है अवार्ड्स में, हमसे
अनु-
cricket में
अनु-
जाते
तो
हैं।
नहीं लिख सकता ना, उसको भी
नहीं
पता
यार,
है कि
अर्जुन
वो
नहीं
भर
खेलेगा
सकता,
अभी,
उसमें नहीं है उतना।
क्योंकि अर्जुन की जगह नहीं है अभी, तो क्योंकि क्या खेलेगा। पर मैं बहुत सुना अनुज रावत लेफ्ट हैंडर विकेट कीपर बैट्समैन, मतलब कैप्टन भी किया अपने स्टेट साइड वगैरह को, और इसका मतलब बहुत नाम है अभी तो। एंड आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग हिम टू प्ले ऑल स्टार्टिंग के few मैचेस, एंड इफ ही डज वेल यू नेवर नो, ही माइट बी एन इंटरेस्टिंग पिक। सो
कहाँ नाम है इसका?
हाँ, अरे अभी अंडर 19 अपने
कहाँ
उस
पे नाम है?
अंडर 19 टीम वगैरह को लीड भी किया था, इंडिया अंडर 19 वगैरह को, और फिर उसका और विजडन वगैरह में अभी आर्टिकल में प्रोबेबल लाइनअप में भी है, और सैयद
काफी cool.
मुश्ताक में भी खेला था दिल्ली के लिए।
Nice.
तो अनुज रावत हो सकता है, पर अगर अनुज रावत नहीं तो इट माइट
ये
बी।
लास्ट ईयर भी था ना, लेकिन राजस्थान के साथ लास्ट ईयर तो
He didn't play much.
नहीं, ये सीजन लिया, ये सीजन लिया
इस
auction
season
में।
लिया
सीजन
है।
लिया क्या?
इस season
अच्छा,
लिया
ठीक है,
हाँ,
ठीक है।
यही सीजन लिया ऑक्शन में।
Got it.
वो वही है, वरना एक है और एक पाटीदार है शायद, पाटीदार
आरसीबी
आरसीबी। सो ही हैज डन वेल इन द वार्म अप मैचेस जितना मैंने पढ़ा है। सो लेट्स सी इफ आरसीबी कैन क्रिएट वन मोर प्लेयर लाइक दे डिड पर्टिकुलर
और वो
लास्ट।
ग्राउंड का साइज भी देखा है मैं, तो मैं छोड़ दिया वार्म अप मैचेस पे थोड़ा देखना।
हाँ वो ठीक है, पर ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं। ये तो रैंडम पिक है। चलो अनुज रावत,
Nice.
मेरी इज्जत बचा लेना।
I went with Bishnoi. I think Darshil has already pointed out a lot of things. He spearheaded the Indian under-19 team that lost to Bangladesh. By spearheaded, I mean the spin department. And with Mujib gone, he's going to do the same with Kings 11. Excellent player. He picked some really crucial wickets of set batsmen in the last season as well. I'm pretty sure he's going to be the emerging player.
Okay, moving on, Ishwar.
Yeah, so I feel Shah Rukh Khan will be the emerging player this year because I've seen him play live.
ऐसे करके
I've
बोलो,
seen him
ऐसे।
play, yeah, I've seen I've seen him play live a couple of times, and I've really liked what I've seen. And yes, he has glimpses of Hardik Pandya in him. He can be the future Hardik Pandya for India if groomed properly.
Piyush,
He has
अभी
finished
से-
many games for his team side, coming down and he has performed under pressure. He has played innings where he scored 40 of 9 deliveries or 12 deliveries, something like that. So yes, I feel Shah Rukh Khan is a very good addition to Kings 11 Punjab, and his auction price also, as you see, many teams were interested in him, and yeah, this was the reason. So yes, he's a very good choice to be the emerging player this year, according to me, because Punjab
Yes.
needs a finisher, and he fits in perfectly there as well.
So I'm going with Jai Richardson.
इतना प्यार भाई, इतना प्यार.
अब if I predicted him to win purple cap, then by default emerging player भी
TPL
जीतेगा ही.
syndrome.
He's like I think going to be one of the superstars this year. Went for a superstar price as well, 15 crore, and pretty self-explanatory. As I explained about him being purple cap, if you're winning the purple cap, you're probably the best young player in the league, and he is eligible for this award. So I think he'll take it.
Okay, finally Malay.
मले गया हो गया.
So my pick is. You guys hear me?
Voice is cutting out, Malay.
Malay, your voice is breaking, dude.
मले का केकेआर बायस दिख रहा है नागरकोटी में. चलो
Malay voice is
नागरकोटी
still cutting
बैटिंग
out.
करेगा करके
Hello.
बोला है.
Yeah.
हाँ भी आ रहा है थोड़ा.
No.
Yeah. So I picked Kamlesh Nagarkoti because I feel KKR is going to go a long way this season, and he's going to play a lot of games, and he's going to do well. We saw glimpses last year. I think he's a more finished product this time around, and he should do well.
Nice. So I think that's a wrap from us for today. I think we've had
And
some.
one important thing I wanted to also bring up. No one took Yashasvi Jaiswal's name in emerging player and Suresh Raina's name in orange cap. I'm disappointed.
Even purple cap में
Raina
रबाड़ा
वाला.
नहीं है वैसे.
Also no Rohit
Maybe-
as well in orange cap, especially Piyush
It's
Chopra.
not a surprise.
No, Rohit is understandable.
Rohit
is
would-
understandable.
Rohit will
No
be MI
Rabada in purple
और-
cap.
और इसी के
This
साथ
is
मेरे को जाना
Manish
है.
and Ishwar here.
Sharma
Virat.
ji ऐसा IPL fucks नहीं देते. He needs World
He
Cup,
only plays for India.
T20 World Cup.
to win.
वहीं पे खेलेंगे शर्मा जी.
अच्छा, okay.
T20
ऐसे
वर्ल्ड कप
रहना
में
चाहिए.
खेलेंगे, बट सेमीफाइनल पे एक पे आउट हो जाएंगे.
ठीक है guys, I think that's it.
9-1-1. तो अच्छा वो तो कोहली है.
सारे.
Oh, like,
Anushka
share,
Sharma ji
subscribe.
बात already
Mohammad
offended
bhai,
हो चुका है.
like, share, subscribe.
Yeah guys, but like, share and subscribe. That's it for today. Anything you want, please let us know in the comments. बता देना if anything you want us to cover extra, any kind of different thing you want us to cover.
Vizil Podu this year. Vizil Podu.
And yep, let India का खुशियों का त्योहार begin.
Hope KKR, Corbo, Lodbo, Jitbo. We're gonna win this year anyway.
चलो बाकी 3 टीम्स का कब करना है? अभी फ्री हो तो अभी बैठे बैठे कर लो जल्दी जल्दी.
Recording